Hello everyone. In this video, I will be summarizing everything I did in the second week of the 0 to 1 cohort by Harkirat Singh. If you want these updates every week, you can subscribe and let's get into it. The first live class for the week on Saturday was for the revision of asynchronous JavaScript and promises. But I skipped this class as I had no problems with promises and asynchronous JavaScript, and I solved the promise assignment as soon as they came out. Moving on to the next live class, this was the first time I was going into a live class knowing nothing about the thing that was going to be taught. As you guys can see on the screen, the highlighted parts were scheduled to be taught in this live class, which is Node.js and its runtime, backend communications protocols, Express basics, routes, and status code. And we actually managed to finish everything that was scheduled to be taught by the end of the class. And the pace of the class was perfect for me. Keep in mind, the only thing I knew about Express was that it is a node library which is used in backend. Uh, at the start of the class, we learned about the difference between Node.js and JavaScript, and some things about Express and HTTP servers. By the way, if you give me a bucket of popcorn and Harkirat is explaining high level stuff like this, I can watch it all day. On the practical side of things, we were introduced to some express methods, which were get, post, put, delete, etc., and we wrote some code to get used to them. So if you basically understand this express snippet, you were good. And by the way, these are some great notes. I think they're made by someone from Harkirat's team. They'll also be linked in the description. They helped me a lot. So during the live class, Harkirat sort of gave us a pseudo assignment of creating a to-do app with Express. So as soon as the class was over, I started working on it. So I created this client-side HTML which sort of sends some fetch HTTP request to the localhost server, and this I wrote this Express app which catches those requests and responds accordingly. And this is how it turned out. Yes, it is not styled even a bit. Sorry for hurting your eyes, but this is how it works. You sort of can choose the priority and submit it, and it appears here. You can change this stores the variable in Express, which is not really good. It should store it in database, but I haven't learned about databases yet, so this should work. Like, then after a couple of days, we were given our Express assignments. So for the first assignment, I made so many silly mistakes, and the teaching assistant sort of nudged me a bit by bit towards the solution, which was a very tedious process, but it taught me one important thing, which was debugging my Express code with Postman, which helped me finish the second assignment, which was supposed to be harder, in just 20 minutes without bothering the teaching assistant a single time. And my solutions for the assignment will be linked in the description. So if you want to check them out, there you go. This about wraps up everything that I did in the week 2 of the cohort. Comment about how your week went with the cohort, and subscribe to follow me along this journey of becoming a better dev every week. Signing out.